How to make videos from any articles link.
Just come to Google Trends and see what's trending on Google. Once you found the trending article, visit that site. Just copy the link. Then, come to Pictory site, and paste your link here. Once you have pasted the link, Pictory will process the article, and choose best lines for the video, or you can select by yourself. Click the Next button. Choose the template. And within no time, your video will be ready. Although you can add automated voiceovers and customizations offered by this tool, you must try this AI tool, link in the description.